Updating your legal name on Liquid is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that prove your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Log into your Liquid account. Access your Liquid account by entering your credentials. Make sure you are using the most current version of the app or website for the best experience. Step 3. Navigate to profile settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Srug to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit name change requests. Enter your new legal name in the designated field. Attach the required documents that support a name change and submit the request for review. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submission, monitor your email or account notifications for confirmation of the name change. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name on Liquid. Make sure to keep an eye on your account for confirmation and any further actions needed.